Okay, this looks a little messy, lots of dimensions. But if I, oops, if I click the dimensions, I can drag them kind of out of the way. And it's not super helpful, it's still kind of a busy screen. But you'll see perimeters start to pop up as I'm in here. There's a couple perimeters. Anywho, I want to go to the Modify menu. Sorry. Under Solid, I'm going to go to the Modify menu, and I'm going to do Press Pull. And when I do Press Pull, I want to make everything 1/4 inch because that's going to mimic the material that we use. So the shortcut for that is Q, but I can also just press it under the menu. It's really relaxing once all those dimensions disappear, but we kind of needed them to get where we got. So at this point, I want you to click. Let me do that again because things happened quickly. Under Solid, and this could be different if it's a new version of Fusion 360, but you want to go Press Pull. You just click on your shapes. So we have our green square, green rectangle, red circle, blue circle, dog, base, and perimeter. You'll notice when I click that the first time, that one square that we drew as a reference did not show up. So let me click that too, so it's included. And then I'll type in 0.25 to reflect the thickness of all the pieces. And click OK. So now I have everything. Those are all my pieces. I want to go in and add corners to everything. And to add corners to everything is simply done. Modify kind of reflects the fact that we're in a 3D surface, whereas we could have done some things in our Create menu. But what I want to do is add a fillet. A fillet is a fancy word for a rounded corner. And so now I'm just going to focus on one piece at a time. I'm not going to show you all of them, but I want to go in. This process will actually let me see through the object, but I don't want to be clicking on these. I want to be zoomed in enough so that I can start to click on these verticals. So can you see there? I'm going to zoom in even more. I want to be giving a fillet to these values, these verticals, okay? So if I'm careful, I can find all the verticals. Here I can't quite see it. So I might need to just like rotate my orbit a little bit. That's better, right? If you ever do that rotate, and then you'll notice you still have this tool, just press escape one time and it gets you back to where you were. So I can see through it. There's the one I need. And you might want to do this in a couple rounds of verticals. That's kind of all I can see from this view. And instead of rolling around too much, I'll just go ahead and I'll finish up with this operation. The radius that I want to put in there is 1/8 of an inch, 0.125. You can also type in 1/8, and it knows. So now, okay, I got a few of them left to do. Let me rotate it around this way, and let's see what I can see. Shortcut wise, I can use the letter F. Again, I want to find my verticals in my model. Maybe focus on one piece at a time and type in 0.125 or 1/8. Continue to work your way all the way around until you got them all. And I know I certainly did not. I use the shortcut F. Click, click, click until you're done. I'm not holding anything down as I do this. It's just automatically holding all of them to perform the operation. 1/8. If I zoom out, did I miss anything? I hope not. Missed one. So, top view. Let's see, I missed one. F for fillet. Click the vertical, type in the value. And if I haven't told you to do so already, please, please, please save your work. Okay. So in lieu of time, I would like you to go back and do a fillet for your square, a fillet for the rectangle, a fillet for the base, and a fillet for all the corners, the vertical corners of the dog. Good luck.